Everyone, so now we are going to discuss about mechanism of breathing. So what is breathing? Breathing is a physical process of exchanging gases, breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. So here we can see the diagram of inhalation and exhalation. So what is the difference between these two? So how the inhalation takes place? When we breathe in the air, the diaphragm contracts. The diaphragm, which is holding our lungs, it gets contracted, and when it contracts, what happens is the volume of the thoracic cavity or chest cavity increases. The volume of chest cavity, it increases, and once it increases, so due to this expansion of the thoracic cavity, the pressure in the lungs decrease. So air pressure, the lungs are being shown here like this. In lungs, this decreases, and as this pressure in the lung decreases, air from outside rushes in. So this, due to this decrease in air pressure in the lungs, due to the increase in thoracic cavity, the volume of thoracic cavity increases, diaphragm contracts, the air pressure in the lungs decrease, and air from outside rushes in, and hence the air enters our lungs. So therefore the air sacs in the lungs get filled with air when we breathe in. The exchange of gases occur. Here you have small alveoli. So exchange of gases between this alveoli and the blood takes place via diffusion, and we breathe in the pure oxygen. Fine. So the oxygen, this goes inside. So what happens when we exhale? So what we have to expel from our body is the carbon dioxide. So when we breathe out, this diaphragm relaxes. You can see here, this diaphragm relaxes, and as the diaphragm relaxes, the volume in the chest cavity decreases. Here it was increasing, but now due in exhalation it decreases. It brings the air inhalation, and this will expel the air. So this contraction pushes air from lungs into the trachea, nostrils, and through the nostril it goes out of the body. So how it goes out? Through your trachea, nostrils, and then finally goes out to the body. So this exhalation process, here you could see contraction of diaphragm, here relaxation. Increase in volume because breathing in the air. Decrease because we want to expel CO2. Then you can see the air pressure is decreasing, because if the pressure is low, only then something can enter. So here the pressure has to be high in the lungs to get away from away or expel something out of the body. And this mechanism is known as breathing. Your inhalation and exhalation together form breathing. So what is happening in short? That the air pressure in the lungs is decreasing, resulting in inhalation, and the pressure is increasing, and contraction and relaxation of diaphragm, basically controlling the process of breathing.